Hey guys, just a little update on the car. I removed the tail lights. Also removed the weather stripping from the hood. Still gotta come through and get all this tape out of here. It's kind of old, so it's not one tear right. I haven't done nothing to the front except for remove the headlights. But just kinda got pieces kinda in a pile right there. I got bolts that I found on the ground next to them. And I don't know if they came off the car or not, they were already there, but just in case I separated them. The bolts to the tail lights are right here. And then here's the little lights that go on the tail lights. You know, it's always good to know where they're at. Don't want to lose none of them. Then I got the wiring down here for the tail lights. Don't want to lose none of that. Took them out. I want to come through and do like a deep clean because you don't want to paint over this stuff because that's bad for your paint job. It's not gonna work out for you. Your paint's gonna turn out crappy. But I gotta come through and get all this. So you get to just take your finger and look at all that. That's not gonna be good for the paint. Still haven't came through and done this. I'm gonna try and get that. I don't record while I'm working on the car. I'm a one-man shop. I have no one here to hold the camera. As you can see, it's just got my toolboxes there, got my fan, got the car, got my cars out there. I have no one here to hold the camera. I'm just doing everything by myself, you know, so I apologize for not being able to record myself fixing the car. I know a lot of people, that's why a lot of people look up on YouTube, you know, fixing cars, stuff like that. Follow down the line, I will be able to do that. Just like this is gonna get an engine swap. I will be able to record that because that is gonna be somebody else's project. I'm just gonna be on the sidelines, so I will be able to get that on camera. But I mean, it's coming together. I figured got nothing else to do better than sitting around. Let's just get out here and start cracking down on this, trying to get it going. One thing I want to point out though is this back end, so you can tell a lot more. See, that's all dented in. It was pretty damaged. It was pretty messed up. That, as most people will know, the Crown Vic gas tanks are in the trunk. I am extremely shocked that she did not puncture or damage the gas tank in any way, shape, or form. The gas tank is perfect. That is shocking to me, because most people when they wreck the rear end, first thing to go is the gas tank. If you don't believe me, you know, that's the gas tank. That is amazing that did not get harmed. I mean, you even got the little shut off right there for the fuel. But I'm gonna pack all this up. That way it don't get lost, broken, none of that. I'm gonna keep all the bolts. I think stiff, it's old. Keep all the bolts, wired harnesses, everything inside this box so nothing gets lost. Put all my tools back in here so none of them get lost. Got the head, that's just the headlights and stuff for the front. There's another headlight down there. There's another side marker next to it. But, you know, this thing is slowly but surely coming together. And I still gotta do some touch up. Got a little bit of the tape off here. You can see, you know, it's a Ford. It's a Crown Victoria LX. You know, nothing fancy. I was trying to get this off here without scratching the chrome. but that has proven to be impossible. I've tried to take a razor blade and gently going across, scratched it right there. I took my fingernail and I've scratched at this, scratched it, you know. Everything is wanting to scratch the chrome. So I'm gonna talk to the guy that owns this, my brother, and see if we can just do away with the chrome, because that'd be a lot easier. I mean, he wants this thing completely blacked out anyways. I mean, he already got the 5% tint. He wants this thing completely blacked out and stuff, but at the bumper, we're gonna take that off actually. And even though we banged it out a little bit, we're gonna try and fill in this gap. We're gonna get in there and try to push some stuff and stuff, but figured I'd give you a quick update. Just can't wait to get this thing ready. Maybe one of these days, you know, I'll have him out here, somebody out here to help me so we can record while we're working, so y'all can see the process of how to do stuff. For those of you who don't know what they're doing, a lot of you do, a lot of you don't. It's okay. It's always time to learn, you know. There's always more room for more. I ain't no one the best at working on cars, so there's always something you're not gonna know. So it's always good to know other stuff. But that's it for this. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next one.